In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Outlook reminders visible and unmissable. If you've ever found yourself missing an important meeting or a vital deadline because you overlooked a reminder, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a set of perfectly configured reminders to ensure that you never miss a beat. First, let's navigate over to Microsoft Outlook. Start by opening up your web browser and heading to the Outlook website. Once you have the page loaded, look towards the top right to find the sign in option. Click it to proceed. You'll need to enter your email and password to log into your Outlook account. This part is fairly straightforward, but if you need assistance with your login credentials, consider reaching out to your email administrator or checking your password manager. After successfully logging in, draw your attention again to the top right corner. Here you'll see a settings icon, often depicted as a gear. Click on the settings icon to access your options. A range of settings will be available to you here, but don't worry, we're focusing on just a few specific ones to get those reminders standing out. Navigate through the settings and find the option marked Calendar. Click on this to delve into your calendar settings. Now you'll want to find the Events and Invitations section. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to reveal further options. In this next section you will see a drop down labelled with something like Don't Remind Me. Clicking on this reveals several choices. You'll need to select one that suits how much in advance you'd like your reminders. For our goal of making them unmissable, consider selecting the option 15 minutes before. This ensures you get a timely nudge before your event begins, so you have a little buffer time to prepare. After making your selection, the final step in sealing the deal is to click on Save. You'll usually find this option at the bottom or top of the page. By clicking Save, you're confirming all the changes you've made to your reminder settings, ensuring that your preferences are stored correctly. And that's it, you've now set up your Outlook reminders to appear ahead of time, making it much more likely that you'll stay on top of your schedule. With these settings in place, you can rest easy knowing that your reminders will catch your attention and keep you organized in your daily tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a more structured and timely workflow.